Thanks for joining us back at QVC. I'm so excited about this next segment. We're featuring a brand new designer, Yinlo Designs, and we have the most gorgeous bracelet for you today. You're not going to want to live without. This, I got one of my own as my very own. I want to kind of just show you real quick. This is our April Swarovski Crystal Birthstone color. It's the diamond color. It's beautiful. It's got a gorgeous floral box clasp in the back with a safety chain so you won't lose it. Let me come in closer and I'm going to show you a little bit more detail of the bracelet. This here, take a look at this. This, of course, is in our lavender, like mine I've got in the diamond. You're getting 3 8mm Swarovski crystals, okay? The price point on this, $40. Can you believe it? I mean, this is specifically made for QVC. We're all about quality, we're all about value. $40 for 3 Swarovski crystals. You've got 6mm bicones on the side here. It is silver plated. Of course, I want to show you this. You've got silver plating here, and you do have your four box clasp with your safety chain on the back as well. They come in all different sizes. They're gorgeous. Oh my God. With spring coming up, Mother's Day coming up, they make great gifts. Look at this, look at this, look at this. We have got all colors of the spectrum. January to December, you've got your, of course, July is your ruby color. So all you ladies who love ruby, it's beautiful. A really neat one is, let me just kind of pick this up and show the camera. This here is our pink one. Really, really, really neat for a breast cancer bracelet if you'd like to do that for somebody. Of course, our most favorite, most popular color is our April color, our diamond color, because diamonds are a girl's best friend. That's why I chose to order that one for myself. This is not something you're going to want to miss for $40. You know what? It looks, actually, I think we've already sold 500 of these. If you want the clear one, we're almost out of those. So you may want to look at some of the other colors we offer. Another beautiful item by Yinlo Designs here. This is our Swarovski crystal bracelet. Necklace, excuse me. It matches the bracelet. I'm so involved in the bracelet, I'm just too excited about it. This is our necklace. Look at this. Ladies, look at this. It comes with all different color Swarovski cubes, silver plated with your larger stone in the middle. I wore this out the other night. Magic. Absolute magic. This one is going to be pre-order. We've already sold 500 of these. So with our value today, $40, it's a one-time thing. You can only get it for that price today. It's so, I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at how this just shines. I mean, for a birthday, February birthdays, any kind of birthdays you've got coming up, ladies, you aren't going to miss this. As a matter of fact, you're going to want to grab a few of these for you, your friends, everybody. They're running out quick. We are so excited about this. Thanks so much. Have a great day.